Hello, 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 everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today I am announcing Decade Divas for 2026. I am so excited. Shannon and I are just chomping at the bit to get this going. And so today Shannon has already put out her video announcing and giving the details. Today is my day. I had planned on having this video out last week, but you guys know what's been going on. So, yeah, I just didn't get to it till now. So, anywho, we are going to have Decade Divas again this September. Shannon and I started this. Oh my goodness, I can't even remember. It's probably been 3 years that we've done this, maybe 4. I can't remember exactly. But we started it off with 5 different divas doing this and collaborating. And we've kind of fine tuned our Decade Divas as we've gone through this because the last few times that we've done Decade Divas, it's just been so overwhelming that we just were running ourselves ragged and into a frazzle. And so we fine tuned it down to the way we want this to work, and it's going to be so much better this year. We have selected a group of 20 YouTubers, content creators, and that are joining us. So they're counting Shannon and I, there's 22 of us all together, and we are so excited. So here's how it's going to work, guys. We are going to be focusing on the 90s. We're calling it, and our hashtag is hashtag Decade Divas Nifty 90s. You'll see that hashtag in the description box. And so here's what's fun about that. You get to decide, are the 22 of us that are doing these Decade Divas videos. We are going to be making something that's inspired by either the 1890s or the 1990s. So we get to choose between which one. And so every Wednesday in September, there's going to be 4 to 5 content creators putting out a video every Wednesday in September, and they are going to be telling you which decade they chose and showing you the project they made and how it inspired them by that decade. Now, I'm considering, I don't know what everybody else is doing, but I'm considering making a project. I may be making more than one project. I'll just say that. I'm going to focus on one, and if I have it done in time, I could possibly have 2 projects, but we shall see. You'll have to wait till September to see what I'm going to do with that. So the rules are that for those of us 22 that are competing, or we're not competing, we're just that are doing Decade Divas, 75% of our projects need to be fiber or textile related, and then the other 25% can be whatever medium you want to use. And let's see, I've got notes down here, so I want to make sure I'm not leaving anything out. So in the description box below, I will have a list of everyone that's participating in Decade Divas. So make sure I'll have them tagged so you can click right on their names and go to their channels. Be sure to go check out their channels. Make sure you're subscribed to everyone. If not, subscribe to them so that you'll be notified when their video comes out in September. Also, we're doing this. Shannon and I have decided to do Decade Divas so that the smaller channels that are involved in this can build their channel subscribers. So go share this Yarny love and help them build their subscriber numbers. The channels that are joining us this year, amazing. We have some that have joined us last year, but we also have some that are new to Decade Divas this year. So spread that Yarny love, subscribe to their channels, watch their videos, and share out the videos with your friends so that this can be a huge, huge success this year. Um, we the main reason that we do Decade Divas, yes, it's a lot of fun, but the main reason that Shannon and I want to do Decade Divas every year is we want to help the smaller channels to grow. Those that want to grow, we want to help them grow. And so that's one of the main reasons we do Decade Divas. But also, it's a lot of fun. We get to see so much creativity. I am so excited for September to get here so that we can see all the different creative projects that people come up with. And it inspires me to see some of these projects too, because I get ideas from seeing what you guys make. So I'm so super excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Now, if you are a content creator and you are not part of the chosen ones for this year, you can still participate. You can still create something that is inspired by the 1890s or the 1990s. You can still make a video to promote the Decade Divas. Tell us how your project is inspired by whichever decade you chose, but make sure in your video that you tag, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Make sure in your video that you tag Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher and tag me, Critters Crochet, and so that we're sure that we see your video, and then share it out and spread the word with about all the other content creators that are involved. You can go to mine or Shannon's videos, and our video today in the description box, we will have a list of everyone involved. So you can copy and paste that into your description boxes so that everybody knows who's involved and when their videos are going to come out. It's so exciting. Can't wait. So you can still participate as a content creator, even if you're not the chosen 20 that we picked for this year. And as these videos go out and as we are getting the word out, we're starting to get the word out now, because we want to build up a big audience for this. We want lots of people to see these videos. So that's why we're talking about it so early. And so Shannon and I are watching. We're watching to see who is sharing out these videos as content creators, who is really helping us promote Decade Divas, because that's going to give us a clue to the ones that we choose for next year for 2027 to do Decade Divas. So share out, be involved, like all the videos, leave comments, because that's going to, like I said, that's going to let Shannon and I know that you enjoy Decade Divas and you possibly could be chosen for next year. So what about those of you who are not a content creator, who are just subscribers, wonderful, loyal subscribers to our channels, but you'd like to make something? You sure can. And here's how you can participate. You can make something based off the 1890s or 1990s. Take a picture of what you've made, and then either go to the Spoony Stitchers community tab or my community tab and make a post your picture and give us just a brief little description on your post of which decade inspired you and how that decade inspired you to make this project. Just a brief little something, and make sure that you tag the Spoony Stitcher and Critters Crochet in your post. But you cannot post a picture of your project until after September 2nd. Okay? Wait till after September 2nd before posting on the community tab. Okay? But we want to see a lot of involvement. So if you're not a content creator, make something, take a picture, put it on Shannon or I's community tab with a little brief description of what you've made, and tag Shannon and I in those pictures so we're sure to see them. Let's see, what else have I left out? Okay, so I'm not sure if I said this or not, and if I'm repeating myself, sorry. But let me go over it once again. We are using hashtag, and you'll see that in the description box, and I'll put it here on the screen too. But hashtag DD Nifty 90s. That's our hashtag for this. So anytime you share out our videos, or anytime you mention Decade Divas for this year in your videos as content creators, make sure you use that hashtag DDNifty90s. So every Wednesday in September, there's going to be 4 to 5 content creators posting a video each Wednesday in September. Shannon is going to create again another playlist for the Decade Divas, and every video from our content creators is going to be in that playlist. So if you miss any, you can go to Shannon's channel at the Spoony Stitcher, and you can go to the Decade Divas playlist, and you can go back and look at the videos again, or you can look at the videos that you might have missed that came out. And so they'll be right there for you to find. I like going back and looking at them just to get inspiration again, to remind myself of what someone made, and inspires me to create and maybe make something else. So I hope you guys will tune in and watch our Decade Divas videos in September. And please, whether you're a content creator or a subscriber, make something. Share it with us. Let us know what you've made. We would love to see your creativity too. And who knows, those of you that are content creators that are really participating and are sharing out our videos and leaving comments, you just might be chosen for next year. So I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday, and looking forward to seeing what you create for either 1890s or 1990s. If you have any questions at all, you can send me an email. You could send Shannon an email. My email will be in the description box, and we would be glad to answer any of your questions. So let us know if you're going to participate. Tell me in the comments if you are going to put a picture up in the community tab, or if you're going to put out a video and share this about Decade Divas and let your friends know about it. So share this video out after you've watched it. Go to the Spoony Stitchers channel, look for her announcement video, share her announcement video out too with your friends, so that this can really be a big deal and we can get lots of people to watch. I'll talk to you later, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. See you then. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.